That's the Z down. And then run the cable the other direction. There you go. 618 Okamoto. Equipment needed for removing the hub and such. It's got a Gray Mills pump. Yeah, it looks like they had electrical system on there for a dust collector. No dust collector included. Pump works, you can hear it go off and on with it. Okay. Spindle's nice and quiet. 2-axis Heidenhain. Got a walker, adjustable, very chuck. Fine line chuck. You got some hooks for if you want to lift it up with a hoist. A couple of pieces there for your backsplash. Touch up paint and look like a little squeegee there. Thank you for watching.